Welcome back. In today's class, we are going to be focusing on conversion from base to base 16 specifically, and it has a reason. You see, if you want to become a software engineer or you want to become an engineer that will be focusing on sound, electronics, this aspect is very important because it's one of the two that we're using to make our machine or our hardware work very well without any problem. So let us look at it. What is conversion from base 2 to base 16 is all about, and how can we do it? So now, the first rule that you need to understand is that you need to divide all the digits inside base 2 into series of 4 bits, not bytes, sorry, 4 bits. 4 bits is 4 digits of zeros and 1. For example, 1100, that is 4 digits of zeros and 1. That is 4 bits. A single bit is 1 digit of either 0 or 1. Are you getting me now? So for example, if I append something like this, so let me say something like this, that I append something like this, 1, that is 1 bit. If I append another one to it, that is 2 bits, that's 3 bits, then that is 4 bits. Are you getting me now? So that's about how to count bits. But if this thing become 8, that is 1 byte. That is to say 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. Byte is B-Y-T-E. That is for singular. If it is many bytes, we say that bytes. Are you getting me now? So now, what are we going to do? So this is 4 bits, okay? What are we going to do is that this is one of the 4 bits. Whatever the number of digits that is there, you are going to divide it to 4 bits. Are you getting me now? So let us take for example, let's assume that we have this binary number 110 111 base 2 to base 16. We want to convert it to base 16. What do we do? From the back, are you getting me? We start to divide. So this is the first series of the 4 bits, but why this one is just only to, it does not complete, so you will add 0 0 to the back to make it 4 bits. Are you getting? You know that 0 does not count. So what do we need to do is that after that, we have seen the first one is what? The first aspect here will be 0 is 0 1 1. After we cut it from the back, are you getting me? 1 1. Is that not it? Then the next one will be what? The next one will be 0 1 1 1. So that is the second aspect of 4 bits. So this is nimble. 4 bits is called a nimble. So this is collection of nimble. So this is the first nimble, this is second nimble. Are you getting me? So let us now see how it's going to be converted to base 16 without any pain. There is a particular table that is very simple to use. You know that we want to deal with base 16, so we will need this table. Can you see that it stopped at what? Base 16. Are you getting me? Normally this one should not be part of it. This one is not part. Are you getting me? Because it should not get to that base 16. So the one that we need is from power of 0 to power of 3, which is what? The maximum is 8. Are you getting me? And you will know the reason why this is very, very important. Let us try to convert this one to base 16. What do we need to do? We need to look at all of these digits. Now this one is here and this one is also here. So the first one is 0 0 1 1. Are you getting me? Let us now convert it to base 16. Are you getting me? Let us convert it to base 16. What do we do? You know that normally if we want to do the conversion to base 16, we first of all convert to base 10. Are you getting me? And we then convert to base 16. But this one is a shortcut to base 16 directly. What do we need to do? So take this one here, from this one, from this place, are you getting me? Merge it to this place. Okay, you merge it. You can see that this number, they are also 4 in number. Okay, so that is that for that. They match each other. Okay, so anywhere that is 1, the value will count. Anywhere that is 0, the value will not count. So those one that count here is just only what? Is just 2 and 1. You will now add it together. That is 3. So this one is just 3 in base 16. Okay, so let us look at this one as well. This one as well. So this one to this one, it counts. This one to this one, it counts. This one to this one, it counts. This one to this one, it does not count. So the ones that count is what? 4 2 1. If you look at 4 2 1, that is 7. So automatically this is 37. Are you getting me? This is 37 in base 16. But in programming, how do we write it? So in your normal text, we write it like this, but in programming, they will write it as 0x37. Yeah, I think that is that. 37. So that is that for that in base 16. Let us do other example. We are going to see this one is going to be more meaningful. So there is one example here. So here and that. So what do? So we divide the bits into numbers. Okay, this is the first aspect. What is the second aspect? So the first one is this, the second one is this. Let us convert this one to base 16 right now. So what do we have? So this one does not count. So 0 does not count. So what is this? This is 14. Then 14. This will have been 14 in base 10, but we are dealing with base 16. Please, what is 14 in base 16? 14 is letter D. Or is it letter D? E, F. Yes, 15 is F, 14 is E, 13 is D. So thank you. I should have taken that table to somewhere around this place. So this is E. Are you getting me? This is E. Okay, let us now look at this one as well. This one does not count. 2 counts. 4 does not count. 8 counts. So if you look at that, this is 8 plus 1, that is 9. Okay, that is 9. So if you look at this together, okay, what do we have? We have E9 in what? In base 16, sorry, in base 16. Okay, in base 16. So what is this? They can write it as EX of what? 9 in base 16. And I have told you the reason why all these things are done the way they have done. We are doing them. So are you getting me? Many of your audio and video files, if you open them, you are going to see a collection of hexadecimal number. When they want to play them, they will now pass them to the system CPU. System CPU will easily convert this hexadecimal number to binary. Then your video will begin to play. It will be able to match your images motion to the sound, and you will see that the video is playing. Are you getting me? So this is about number conversion. And if you want to do anything that is so much, we can try 111 as well as 1111. Are you getting me? In base 16. If you look at this, this is the first neighbor, this is the second neighbor. So for the second neighbor here, we had this one. All of this, all the number count, we had all the number together. If we look at all the numbers together, what do we have? This is 10 plus 1. This is 15. So 15, if we are not mistaken, 15 is letter F. This is F. Yeah, are you getting me? But this one here, this last digit does not count, which is 8. It does not count. So the one that counts are what? We have 4 plus 2, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7. So this one is what? If you look at this one, is 7F. Are you getting? If you have something like 1 is 0 is 0. Or let me see. We just want to make this one 1. Okay. I want to make this one 1, and this one should be 0, and this one should be 1 1 1 1, all ones. Okay, this one's going to be F. Then this one is 1, this one is 0. If you align it, this one does not count. The word does one that counts is what? 14. So this is what? EF. So this is EF. Okay, in base 16. So this is how we convert a number from binary to base 16 directly without passing through base 10. It's only possible for base 16, and it's only convertible between base 16 and base 2. Maybe I haven't done my research very well, but for base 16, between base 2 and base 16, this is how it is done, and it is very important for engineering students, computer science students, and software engineers. For those who want to take career in that part, this is how it is done. This is everything I want to do. Please, I want you to go on maybe your textbook, your further mathematics or additional mathematics or college mathematics, go and do some exercises in conversion from base 2 to base 10. And if you have anything, please put it in our comment section. We have created the ABP community on Facebook, on our WhatsApp, so we are going to share it, but not now. we are still going to share it. Thank you for listening. ABP.